Now question number 3, express 4x squared minus 24x plus p in the form ax plus b whole square plus c, where a, b are integers and c is given in terms of constant p. So we are going to express, writing in the squared form, so 24x plus p, right? So I'm taking this one, I will take 4 out of this. If we take 4 out of this, we will have 6x, then plus p remains as it is, right? So now we are completing the square here. So this is going to be x, half the coefficient of x is 3, so that will be squared, and minus we are going to do the same, 3 square we have added here, so this will be done here, plus p, right? So this can be written as x minus 3 whole squared, right? Minus, then we have here 9, and then plus we have p. Okay, so now this is 4x minus 3 squared. Now this 4 is going to multiply to both, 4 times this and then 4 times 9, which will be 36 plus p, right? So we can rewrite this one as 4x minus 3 squared plus, I can write down p minus 36, right? So which is in the form of, like, which is equivalent to a x plus b squared plus c. So where our a is 4, b is negative 3, and c is equal to p minus 36, right? So that was the question that we have to complete here. Now part B, hence or otherwise. Hence or otherwise meaning you can use the result whatever we did in the previous question, or you can do another way. Find the set of values. Now it's a set of values of p for which equation this has no real roots. So this 4x squared minus 24 plus p equals to 0, this does not has no real roots, right? So no real roots means that discriminant should be greater than 0. Discriminant should be greater than 0. So I am taking this equation from here. Discriminant is b squared minus 4ac equals to 0, right? So here we have b from here. This is a is 4, b is negative, and c is a p. So b square is negative 24 squared minus 4, a is 4 and c is p, and this is less than 0, sorry, this is less than 0. So 24 squared is 576 plus 16p is less than 0, sorry, this is negative. So this one is negative here. So then we will have 576 is less than 16p, right? So divide by 16, divide by 16. So 576 divided by 16, this is 36 is less than p, or we can say p is greater than 36. So this is our final answer, right? This is set of values. All the values which are greater than 36 will satisfy this equation, right? For that, that there is no real root for that, right? Now number 4, solve the equation 8x6 plus 212x cubed minus 27 equals to 0. Now this is the equation in 6. Now we can put the value here. Let's say x cube is equal to y, right? So this is equation 1. So if I put this x, then this from here x 3 squared, that is x 3 power 6 will be y squared, right? So then this is going to be 8y square plus 215y minus 27 equals to 0, right? So we can use quadratic formula to find out the value of y. Y is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, now this is going to be negative 212 15 plus minus, then square root of b square 215 square minus 4 times a will be 8 minus 27, right, over 2a, a is 8. So this is negative 215 plus minus, when you plug in all these values, then you are going to get, let me see, 215 minus 4 times 8 times 27, and then okay. So when you plug in all these values, you will get directly here, I'm just writing straight here. So this comes out to be 217 after taking the square root over 16, right? So now from here we will have two options for y. So either y is equal to negative 215 plus 217 over 16, or y is going to be negative, both negative signs, over 16, right? So when you subtract this, sorry, this is 17, (217). So this is 2 over 16, which gives us 1 over 8. So y is 1 over 8, right? And here we will have, this is 432 over 16, so y comes out to be negative 27. So we got the values of y, and we have done this equation, x cube is equal to y. So as you know that x cube is equal to y, we are going to substitute the values of y. So from here then y is 1 over 8, x cube is equal to y, x cubed, y is 1 over 8. So x cube, this can be written as 2 power negative 3. So as you see that exponent is same, so then sorry, exponent is not same, this is negative 3, here we have 3, we can write it down. It's okay if we write here like this. Is that okay now? So now exponent is same, so x is equal to 2 power negative 1, that is 1 over 2. So value over x is 1 over 2, right? So one value is 1 over 2. Let's see the other one. X cubed is equal to negative 27, and negative 27 can be written as negative 3 power 3. So x is minus 3. So these are two values of x of this equation, right? So that's it for this one. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video.